Today I'm going to talk about how to use your Wahoo Element Bike computer with your smart trainer, and in this video I'm going to walk you through six different ways to control your smart trainer using the Wahoo Element. So the Wahoo Element, Element Bolt, and Element Roam all have the ability to control your smart trainer whether you have a Wahoo Kicker or any ANT plus FEC bike computer, or ANT plus FEC bike trainer. So the first thing you need to do is pair your Wahoo Kicker or any ANT plus FEC trainer to your Wahoo Element. And in this video, I'll be using the Wahoo Kicker as an example, but you can do the same thing and everything will work the same using any other bike trainer. So using the companion app, make sure your Element Bike computer is paired to your smartphone first, and tap on the sensors and look for your smart trainer. You can also add it directly from the Element itself, and to do that just tap the power button to browse back to the main menu and browse down to add sensor and select your smart trainer there. Once it finds your trainer, it will prompt you to save it. And now just make sure to switch the ride type from outdoor to indoor. And you can do that again in the main menu. Under ride type, just switch it to indoor. You can also do that within the Wahoo Element app. You can switch it from outdoor to indoor ride. So when you pair your smart trainer, and this is more specifically for the Wahoo Kicker, make sure you pair it using ANT Plus. Because if you pair it in Bluetooth and you want to use another app to control your smart trainer, like in Zwift for example, or Trainer Road, it's not going to happen. Always remember, Bluetooth is a one-to-one connection. Once it's paired to one device, you won't be able to see it or pair it using another device. So to ensure it is paired in ANT Plus, before turning on the Element, turn on Zwift on your mobile device and or Trainer Road, and pair it to your smart trainer, and then turn on your Wahoo Element bike computer, and it will find your bike computer ANT Plus signal and pair it using ANT Plus. And now from now on, it will always connect with ANT Plus. Once you start moving, you will see the screen with all the different modes available for you, and these modes are passive mode, level mode, resistance mode, erg mode, route mode, and workout mode. And let's talk about each mode and go through each one, and make sure you stick around for workout mode because I'm going to talk about a feature that is only available on your Element, and it's not available on other devices like Garmin for example. Passive mode is great when you want to use your smart trainer with another bike, with another app like Zwift for example, but also record your ride using the Element. In passive mode, the Element will not attempt to control your trainer and just record your ride. In level mode, the trainer will simulate the standard resistance curve, meaning the harder you go, the more resistance you will feel. Just like riding outside, as you go faster, the wind resistance will increase and will require more power to push you forward. You have 10 levels, 0 to 9, and generally I found level 1 or 2 to be the closest thing to riding on flat road, and sufficient for most workout if you use gearing to adjust resistance. The next one is resistance mode. Level mode and resistance mode can get confusing. Think of resistance as the brake settings on your trainer, and you can set the brake strength from 1 to 100%. Unlike level mode, the brake strength or resistance you will feel will be fixed regardless of your speed. Play with these two different modes and see which one works best for you. I personally like level mode because you always feel that resistance and it resembles outdoor riding the most. Erg mode, in this mode you set your target watts and you go, and the trainer will adjust resistance to keep you at your target watts regardless of your speed or cadence. So if you set your target watts to 200 watts, the trainer will adjust resistance to keep you at 200 watts, whether you are doing 50 RPM or 120 RPM. Sim mode or route mode. In this mode, you will be able to rewrite a specific route by either selecting a route that you previously did or a new route that you created on any of the routing options supported by the Element like Komoot, Strava, or Ride with GPS. In route mode, make sure your weight is entered correctly in the app, and the Element will control your trainer so the trainer replicates the elevation profile of the route. And if you really want to rewrite a route, I would encourage you to watch this video. I talked about different apps that are, I think they are much better than riding a route on a small screen like this, unless you really want to feel bored. Okay, next, workout mode. The Element is optimized to read incoming plans from third-party apps like Training Peaks or Today's Plan, and hopefully we'll see additional apps added like Train Road and Exert. You need to first authorize Training Peaks or Today's Plan from your profile using the Element app. And to do that, go to Profile, tap on Authorize Apps, and select Training Peaks or Today's Plan. It will ask you to authorize the link between the two apps and just go through the steps. Here I am using Training Peaks. The Element supports interval based on power, heart rate, and cadence. It will pass whatever information it receives from that third-party application. In this case, Training Peaks only supports interval based on % of functional threshold power and heart rate. Just make sure your power zones or heart rate zones set correctly in the Wahoo Element app, because Training Peaks will only pass the % of your threshold. So make sure your FTP setting is correct in your Element, and you can do that in your profile under power zones. Next time you turn on your Wahoo Element, you will see a pop-up of your planned workout, and you have the option to select the workout. You can also view your planned workouts and select a different one. And if for whatever reason you do not see the workout, you can select it directly from the Wahoo Element companion app, and it will load to your Wahoo Element. And that's it. Very simple. You can pause, skip, rewind, or stop an interval mid-workout without impacting your interval or overall workout time. And this is my favorite feature. Something Garmin devices do not support is adjusting workout intensity. And to do that, from the workout detail page, press the plan button, tap the button under 100%, and it will give you the option to scale up or scale down that workout. So on days when you're not feeling 100% or find yourself not able to complete the intervals, you can scale it down a bit.